Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust your time and date settings on your Grundig soundbar DSB 980. So in order to do this, you'll need to click on the menu button on your Pilot. It's right here. So let's open it. From here, navigate to the system settings. Open them. Now go for time and date, and right here you can either set up your time and date manually by entering these options, or go for auto update, and that way you can use any of these available sources like DAB, FM or network. If you're connected to Wi-Fi network, make sure to use update from network. And that way your time and date will be set automatically and prevent any problems. You can also set up your time zone format, and that would change 12 or 24 hours format. And next is a time zone, so you can pick whichever place you live in, daylight savings, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.